So it's been about 3 days, and we've almost got 15 gallons of gas in the car.
Where the heck are we?
Wow, where are we? That's a good question, Ted. We are 8.7 miles away from heaven, which is the greatest place in probably all of New England, Humphrey'S Smokers, Inc. Now, there's a lot of really, really good smoker manufacturers in this country, obviously. We are fortunate enough to have one in New England, and why not compete on a champion smoker made right here in New England? Now, I know they make good cookers all over the place in the South, from Kansas City to Texas to Carolina, but we make a damn good smoker up here too, and a lot of people win on these things. Now, that doesn't mean you're gonna win because you buy one, but it doesn't hurt to have one of the best cookers in the game when you head out to Memphis in May, or to any KCBS tournament for that matter. So just up over this hill to the right, we will see a red building come into, oh, and there it is. You know it. All right, let's go see Nicole and Chad and their new facility, their new showroom. It's gonna be gorgeous. Oh yeah, and my candy red grill smoker. Let's do this. Main Source is their machining company, which is how they got into making the master smokers. So besides making some of the best smokers in the world, they also make some pretty high-tech stuff here. I can't even tell you about it, put it that way. Shh. Well. Christmas morning has come.
There it is, there's the beauty.
Oh, this is the first time I put my hands on it. This is very special. Very special moment. My goodness, you ready to see the inside? This is the battle box. So, oh my goodness, Nicole, it's prettier than your pictures. We ready to hear this close action? Oh. I always wanted to do that, just couldn't do it until I had my own. Boom. The plate. But look at all these other smokers. I'm gonna have to tour around and look at them. Wow, look at the showroom. Yeah. Ooh, is that a pint?
Yep.
Yeah.
Orange is my favorite color. Look at that sucker. Beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Smell the fresh paint. Where's the biggest one you guys have on the show?
The biggest one right here left. The Beast Plus.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the Beast Plus?
That's the biggest one we have in stock right now.
Whoa.
You call it the Beast Plus?
Yeah, Beast Plus. It's got a stainless face frame, stainless interior, all stainless steel construction except for the outside skins. And the doors are textured glass. Small restaurant. You could feed about 500-600 people a day out of that one easy.
This the Weekender?
Yep, weekend in the car.
Very cool. So what on earth is this, Nicole?
It's not attached, so just be careful.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
From the bottom. So, and it will light up.
Look at
The
that.
remote control.
It's got some weight to it.
Yeah, yep. So we're gonna, it gets
Attach
riveted.
this?
Yeah, all rivets to the door is gonna be on the front door of a pipe.
So that would be,
It might be.
won't fit on
Yeah,
here.
it'll be. Yeah, pint's a little bit taller, so you'll be able to.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So I can get a grand smoke right
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Imagine that, Ted. Woo, that's almost 2 showtime. That is awesome. So you guys are putting these together here?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So you see, I mean, we're limited on the amount of detail that we can do.
It's pretty good detail.
Yeah, but yeah.
Excellent.
So
Man, all right, so what is this going to run if you want a custom?
something about that's going to run about 300 with the lights in it. If it didn't have the lights in it, we didn't have to engineer that into it. You're looking at about 2.25.
Hey, if you're competing with the big dogs, got a couple of girls in there.
Oh, you always plan this well, don't you? Hold on, Chad, I'll help you.
Oh, look at that. Look at the weight. Oh, she's like. Whoa. Thanks, brother.
Good to see you again.
Appreciate it. My man, thank you so much. Good stuff. Let's go cook something.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Very exciting. This might call for beer. Celebration. Got my Humphrey's bottle opener. Got my complimentary hat and a rib rack, all thrown in the package. We're gonna do some nice demos and get this thing wired down. First we gotta get it home, then we'll figure out how to cook on it, but I've seen some boys cook on them. I'm ready. Ooh, she's heavy back there. Look at her, Ted. She's like 400 pounds. The racks are rattling. Usually that's like 4 Webers back there making noise when I go on one of these trips, but now it's the Hump. So the Humphrey Battle Box, 350, 60, 70 pounds. But that makes it so solid, so ready to cook. I'm excited. Just gotta get home, get the sucker seasoned. Let's go eat some barbecue, Ted. You wanna go to the can?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go to the can. Seatbelt.